start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I've had a cute little package turn up from Varnail. That's all the socials there, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. Pretty things inside. I'm getting Vetsy vibes, guys. Look at this pink Love Art bubble wrap. I've never seen pink Love Art bubble wrap. I love that. So quick look at what we got. Instructions for the solid gel that's in there. Yada yada yada. Love it already. So I've got 3 of these solid gel polishes. So I love all this packaging, by the way. Number 75, which is neon pink, and they're all foil sealed. Can you see the little bit there to wipe off your brush? Never seen that. I've seen the little lip, but never with a little V cut out of it. We've got 78, which is Barbie pink. That little V is good for detailer brushes. Look at that pink. And we've got 76, which is a turquoise. I was really happy with these, actually. I used these in this video. I was really happy with them. And they've also sent over this palette. This is the same thing, solid gel. And this one is called Spring Morandi. They've got quite a few of these to choose from. I went for this one because it's kind of end of summer, going to be going into autumn. Full of nudes and khakis. I thought that would be perfect for this time of year. So we've got that as well. And a brush. I love this brush as well. It is super soft. So it's a number 7 rounded gel brush. So soft. Really nice. But I didn't use it. I hate using new brushes unless I need one. And the lid clicks on. It actually clicks on and stays on, which they normally don't on these shaped brushes. So I like that a lot. And they've also sent over their matte top coat, tempered top coat and base coat. So these are all in glass bottles, 15ml. I'm loving all the packaging and everything on this, guys. And I'd never heard of Varnail. Never heard of them before. And they've also sent over these. These are 3D pudding gels. I have seen these. So we've got 1, 2, blue, green, 3 and 4, which is yellow and orange, 5 and 6, purple and hot pink. And then we've got 7 and 8, which is neon red and red. And then bluey purple. So there's 9 colours, and yeah, they're just like a 3D gel, yeah. I don't know what to do with them. But I'm going to do something with them in another video. Just going to give these a quick swatch because I wanted to do something with them. And I needed to see the colours. This one was I'd say a tiny bit sheer, but 2 really thin coats and it was completely opaque. As far as solid cream gels go, they're nice. They're nice. I liked them. So I've just given them a quick swatch and I've cured them for 60 seconds. Yeah, just so I could see the colours. I have got a 25% off discount code, guys, but I'm not sure if it's going to be activated till tomorrow. Try it and see. And these cured glossy, they didn't need a top coat, but I top coated them anyway because I wanted to see what the top coat was like. And it's quite a thick top coat. I like that for smoothing out nails, getting rid of bumps and stuff like that. So yeah, nice thick top coat. I like it. Base coat was thickish as well. So I've just given them tips of base coat and cured it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use this nude. I didn't know whether to use the cream, the nude, or this kind of rosy nude, don't know. So I ended up just going with that plain nude. And I'm just going to do 2 coats on 2 of these tips. Again, this was nice as well. 2 really thin coats. And yeah, completely full coverage. Nice and smooth, nice and creamy, really opaque. I liked them. So yeah, they're curing in the lamp as well for 60 seconds. Yeah, I'll leave the link below, guys, and my discount code. But I'm not sure if the code will be active yet. But yeah, you can try it. If not, you'll have to do it tomorrow. So, I'm going to do this nail in the neon pink. I wasn't sure at this point what I was doing on the other clear nail. So I left that clear for now. Yeah, can you see this neon pink? It is a little bit sheer. But you'll see after the second coat, yeah, it's completely fine. And you need 2 coats really anyway. I think we all do 2 thin coats with gels, don't we? Beautiful colour, coral. I absolutely love. I've been really loving coral this summer. Beautiful. So I'm going to give these nude nails a matte top coat now, because I'm going to paint some little watermelons on them. And I like to paint on a matte surface. Now these cream gels, they're not really for nail art paint. Look at that matte as well. Forgot to say, it's a nice one. It really is a nice one. Right, I'm just going to do a white frame around these nude nails using a white gel polish. And then I'm going to do some watermelons. Yeah, these, what I was saying, these cream pots, they're not really for nail art. They're not nail art paints. They are just for full cover nails, really. But I have used them today to do a little bit of nail art. But I would suggest, if you're using a product like this to do nail art, to do the white first, what I'm doing now. Yeah, do it white and then go over them with the cream gels. So I'm going to do both of these nails like this with the white. And then I'm going to go over them with the colour. So again, same with the frames. These are going to be little slices of watermelon, so I'm doing them in the white first. Same with neon gel polishes. Neons pop so much better over a white. I always much prefer, rather than doing 2 coats of the neon, I always like to do 1 coat white and 1 coat of the neon. So you're still doing 2 coats, and I just think it pops so much better. Yeah, so they're going to get cured in the lamp now. Then I'm going to turn these little triangles into little watermelon slices. So I'm just leaving a little gap at the top so I can go in with the green as well. And again, I've done exactly the same on the other nail off camera. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, then go in with the green. Yeah, and I'm going to leave just a little white strip between the pink and the green, you know, like you get on watermelon. How cute are they? I think they're well cute. So I'm going to go over these now with a nice thick top coat. See, this top coat's perfect for things like this, smoothing nails out. I do wish I did the pink frame on both of the nails instead of 1 pink, 1 green. But that's just me being fussy. Right guys, now something I've never done before. I didn't know what to do on this nail. So I've just done a bit of a swipey thing with the white. Yeah, just a little swipey thing. And then I'm curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm just going to do an ombre, green on the bottom and pink on the top. Just going to completely cover this white now. Yeah, just an ombre. And I'm going to give it a second coat off camera as well. Right, now this is getting a matte top coat because I wanted to paint a glossy palm tree on this nail, but I want the rest of the nails to be matte. So I'm using the Madam Glam's glossy gel paint because it cures with no tacky layer. And I'm just painting 2 little itty bitty palm trees on it. I think this nail turned out so smart. I loved it. So this plain pink nail is going to have, I'm going to sugar it in this Glitter Planet clear holographic. So a quick base coat, and I'm just going to pour the glitter into this wet base coat. This glitter is beautiful. It's really difficult to see the hollow. It's completely transparent glitter, so it looks good on any colour nail. I'm trying to show you there. Can you see the hollow? It's beautiful, isn't it? I love it. So I'm just going to give these watermelon nails a quick matte top coat, and that'll be then finished. There we go, guys, that is then finished. Yeah, I definitely wish I would have put a pink frame around both of the nails instead of a pink and a green. Love that palm tree nail. So I will do something with these this week, guys, I promise. Any ideas, let me know in the comments, because I've no clue. So that's the pudding gel colours there, and this is the Pallette Spring Miranda. Yeah, they've got loads of colours, these palettes, to choose from. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like I said, I think I've said it twice now. I'm not sure if my 25% code, it's a good one as well. I'm not sure if it's activated yet. If not, it will be activated tomorrow. But that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.